respond to a request for comment has expanded rapidly in the area since selecting Boca Chica as a launch site in 2014. I'm Corey Cook in San Antonio.
The premier international soccer tournament has arrived, and the FIFA World Cup is bigger than ever. This is NPR News. On a Thursday, Junior.
Is that feeling?
So do I try to go around because I know she's going to try to block me?
Oh! What happened? That car ran the red. You want to check if they're okay?
Yeah, we can go check. We have a gun in there. like the newer ones have the panel on like the side or whatever, but he can
Yeah.
have the. Fucking hell! Did they hit us?
Yes.
But,
Oh, and like this, see how this is? Everybody else in Parma, they stop and they wait behind the car.
Oh yeah.
This guy's gonna get pissed.
What's he doing?
I don't know. What are you doing? Drive. Drive, dude.
It's for you, buddy. No, he's not.
No, you're not over in your f***ing lane. You retard. I don't know, this guy. How you doing? I was just driving, and this guy swerves in front of us, and he won't.
Let us through.
He won't. He's been sitting here for like a half hour, and he's like, "Back up, back up." I'm like,
He's got a ticket for this. Oh my
"Oh, that was so hard."
God. Buy a Marine Corps hat like that for $1.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm served. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
I appreciate
thank
it,
you.
guys. Fucking Christ.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover